Eid celebrations are incomplete without a delicious feast, and today we're bringing you 3 absolute crowd pleasers you can easily make at home. Let's start with a crispy snack, chicken popsicles. In a bowl, take minced chicken and add finely chopped onion, garlic, green chilies, fresh coriander and mint leaves. Season it with garam masala, chili powder, coriander powder, bread pieces and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything really well until nicely combined. Now shape the mixture into a popsicle around an ice cream stick and let it chill in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Once set, dip each popsicle into a flour batter and coat it generously with breadcrumbs. Shallow fry them in hot oil for about 4 minutes on each side until they turn crispy and golden. Serve them hot with a drizzle of mayo and your favorite chutney. Perfect festive starter. Next up, a rich and flavorful classic Mutton Rogan Josh. In a bowl, combine mutton with curd, turmeric powder and salt. Mix it well and let it marinate for at least an hour. Now heat mustard oil in a kadhai, add hing and whole spices and let them release their aroma for about 30 seconds. Add the marinated mutton and cook on high heat until it starts to brown beautifully. Now add chili powder and fennel powder and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in some water, adjust salt and let it simmer until the oil separates from the gravy. Now finish it off by adding a little more curd and garam masala. Cook for 5 minutes and your rich aromatic Rogan Josh is ready to serve. Finally, let's make a quick and comforting pressure cooker chicken biryani. Take 1 kg of chicken and marinate it with curd, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, fresh coriander leaves and fried onions. Let it rest for an hour. Now heat oil in a pressure cooker, add bay leaves, cinnamon and green chilies. Add the marinated chicken, cover and cook for about 10 minutes, stirring once in between to avoid burning. Now once done, switch off the flame, add chopped coriander, then layer it with cooked rice, more coriander, saffron and a touch of red food color and ghee. Now close the lid and pressure cook for just 1 whistle. Serve it hot with raita and you have a festive biryani ready in no time. These recipes are perfect to make your Eid extra special. Try them out and share them with your loved ones and celebrate with lots of flavor and joy. Eid Mubarak, and for more such delicious recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.